Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to fade in and fade out videos using keyframes. To do this, drag your clip to the timeline. Then click the drop-down button. Then click another drop-down button near the transform button. Next you should click the circle icon near the opacity. Then this keyframe icon would show up. Then I need you to click the number here and set its value to 0 and enter, which would make it black, which is what we want to make it fade in. Then move this to 1 second and change the value to 100%. Playing the video would give you a simple 1 second fade in. Let's say you are not satisfied with the result of the length of the fade in, you could move your keyframe further, let's say up until 5 seconds. When we press play it would take much longer to fade in. So tail note, the further your keyframe from the other keyframe it would take longer to fade. So if I put them closer to one another and we press play, it would fade in much more faster. Now we put that back there and we will be doing the fade out part. Then I will put another keyframe a second before the end, then I would press this icon here, so there could be a keyframe in here which would be identical to the last keyframe we have. Then go to the very last one part of the video and change the value to 0 and enter. So when we play the video it would fade in and fade out. So there you go, a simple fade in and fade out using keyframe. I hope this video helped you, and before you leave could you at least leave a like, comment and possibly subscribe to my video, and until next time.